Hello, traders. This is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market-leading stocks via our proprietary scans for the coming session. This is going to be for Wednesday, March 4th, 2015. Make sure you take a look at the market preview. That's going to be done by Chris. There'll be a lot of stuff in there that you need to see. Get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be the ADP number, PMI, ISM, and the beige book. So make sure you view that as well. Looking at the overall layout today. Today was just kind of a back and forth day, kind of a wide range day. A little bit down on volume, but we did get a little bit of a pickup. We'll probably see a little bit more, a little better volume again tomorrow. Apple kind of circled the wagons today, was showing relative strength all day. Closed at the high and closed up 27 cents, while the NQs were weak on the day. That's good enough for an RPS to the upside. CPS on the upside, but was on very, very light volume. BlackBerry trading volume after the close here. Keep an eye on that for a move tomorrow. Juniper at a contra candle. Also, a couple things were close to deviations. Altera was more than 2% below the day's open, and Sandisk was 1.5% below the day's open. Clack was also kind of weak. Clack really didn't perform all that well yesterday when the stocks were very, very strong and started to roll back to the downside. So keep an eye on that, showing relative weakness. Today we had a little bit of a volume bump in Citigroup, but that was posting a downside contra candle. Got upside signals in American Express and Huntington Bancorp. Moving on to the energy names, a little more sloppiness again today. ACI, very weak day. Got a downside CPS on volume, as you can see. BTU real weak as well. CHK has a downside CPS on some pretty good volume. We've got downside CPS on Chevron as well. ExxonMobil, integrated oils kind of got it together late in the day, and that one's supporting an upside CPS. Best Buy, contra candle to the downside after a lot of volume following the earnings and a special dividend announcement. Comcast posting an upside CPS. Coca-Cola has a downside CPS, but that one's on light volume. Moving on to housing names, mostly down on volume and mostly sloppy trading action. Home Depot and Lowe's, both were vulnerable, so keep an eye on those again. UPS has an upside signal. It's a contra kind. And Norfolk Southern NSC traded some pretty decent volume today as well. Lastly, on to the commodities. Pretty weak today, as you can see here. A lot of downside CPSs. Good volume in silver wheaten. A lot of movement in Barrick Gold with a downside CPS. So keep an eye on this group again tomorrow. And it wasn't just limited to the precious metals names. U.S. Steel and others were also very, very weak as well. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.